Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, you are going to learn how we could ship our PC on eBay. So, it's pretty simple when it comes to that. Let's go to sell here, and from there on your listings, let's go exactly to listings, list an item. And once you get to the steps where you are listing an item, here I'm gonna just write computers just to skip this simple process. Here we go. I don't have any match and new, continue to listen, and this is the page where we are going to focus on. So in here, if you want all the way down into this area, exactly this area, so you will find some policies about the shipping. So here you could add every single information about the shipping and how you could pay the shipping and how it goes. For example, here, our shipping policy, we could write it down here, create a shipping policy, and they will give us all of these things. So here, policy name, for example, shipping internationally. Description, only Europe and USA, Canada are included. So here the shipping, for example, here we are going standard shipping, small to medium items. Here we can add cost type, flat, alright. And here rate table, we're not going to add anything because it is flat. In case it was calculated, then it would be more. You could add a primary service. Which service are we going to use for the shipping? UPS, FedEx, economy shipping, UPS, surplus, etc., etc., etc. There is here dozens, of course, like 99% you will find your shipping method. And here local pickup and everything about like how you could like ship to someone within your neighbor, within your city, locally. What I mean. And then once you're done, click on save, and that's it. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.